fellow betters, we're here at Streetscape here in Banilad for us to try one of the best sandwiches here in Cebu. Please join us here in Big Ear Tours. So guys, right now I'm having one of their best seller, which is the Wagyu Tapa. Wagyu beef, and it's like a sandwich. This is really known in Vietnam. So if you're curious, if you're curious who I'm with, still I'm with Bayi, the 2021 best food blogger here in Cebu. So Bay, what are you having?
I'm having the classic. This is my first banh mi actually.
Yes, banh mi is one of my favorite food when it comes to sandwiches, because aside from it has the carbs or the bread, it's still a full meal, and it's best paired with either the dark coffee and the lemongrass tea. So that's it guys for our food trip for today. If you happen to have any questions, feel free to put that in the comments below. And I hope this video or vlog really helps when it comes to where to eat, where to stay, and how to live here in Cebu City. So please don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to this channel for you not to miss any videos when it comes to my food trip, lifestyle, and travel. Again, this is JC for Big Ear Tours. To explore some other places for us. Naunsa ka? Naunsa ka?
Wala, lagi permi ko ano.
Part of the bloopers.